Hi friends, this is your girl Miss Trina coming at you again with another video. Today's video is how to keep your house smelling fresh and clean for the spring. Okay, first of all, you got to make sure you're clean. Make sure your house is clean. Make sure you mop the floors. Make sure you wipe the walls, because if you cook a lot like I do, you will have like smells that lingers from that's on your walls. So wiping the walls with a good smelling cleaner will help you with that. And I have some items that I bought for my spring. This will smell good in my house for spring, and from Walmart and Aldi. So I got some pine sol. This is the lavender scented one, and I'm going to be using this for the spring time. And I got the this is the lavender, what is this one? Sparkling Wave. So these are very good to get that smell, to get all the smells out of your house. And the only thing you have to do is get a spray bottle, put like a half or maybe a cup or half a cup of, and then fill the rest with water, and then spray and then wipe. Okay, and I got a lot of stuff that smell good for my house for the spring. First off, smell this wax warmer set from Aldi. And I got this. I'm going to be using this in my living room because I don't always burn candles in there. So I'll use this in my living room. I got one for my room already, and the kitchen, and I don't put one in the boys' rooms. But let me show. And this was only I think it was $12.99. And it looks like this. This is the top where you put the wax. You could even use this. Oh no, I thought you could use that candle hole, but it goes on top of here. I'm not going to take it out because most people know what a wax warmer look like. And it came with some wax melts that I probably use now because it is falling snow, and what's the other one? I can't see it. Falling snow and maple butter rum. So yeah, those are like more of fall winter scents. So I'm gonna use those now. But maple butter rum could be probably used anytime, but that's falling snow. Okay, that's one way to have your house smelling good, by using wax melts. And then I got some candles from Aldi. I had some new candles that came out yesterday. Today is Thursday. They usually have new stuff that comes out on Wednesday. And the first one is cucumber citrus, and it just looked like this, almost these ones that are with the main line. This called Huntington Home. Pretty much look the same, but I love this pretty yellow wax that is so pretty. And just to let you guys know, these did go up. They used to be, I think, $3.99. Now there are $4.22 or $4.25. They did go up. So just like everything else that's going up, the Aldi candles went up too. But this one smells very good. I can smell the cucumber, and it says citrus. I don't know if I smell citrus, but I do smell the cucumber, and it smells good. I like this scent, and it's a very pretty one, the wax. So candles are a great way to have your home smelling good. And the next one is bayberry vanilla. During the spring and summer, you'll see a lot of stuff with berries and strawberries and watermelon and those type of scents, and I love those scents for spring and summer. And this this smells almost like perfume. I can smell that vanilla. It's almost smell like perfume, but it smells very good. I can smell the vanilla and a hint of the berries. I got to wait to see how I burn it, and I'll let y'all know when I burn these. This is a candle that I was burning today. This is Caramel Pumpkin Swirl from Bath and Body Works. I had it on the table because I was burning it right here, and now I'm burning this one from Target is Maple Glazed Donut. That smells very good. And the next one I have is Gardenia Basil. And it looks like this. The wick is green. And I love the pretty flowers on the front. I love gardenia around the springtime. This is like a twist on gardenia. Because I was like worried how this was going to smell with the basil in it. It's like a gardenia, but not too floral smelling. It got like a spicy note with it. That smells good. Now this one I can't wait to smell, the Cabana Linen, because I love a fresh and clean scent in the spring and summer. And this one looks like that, and the wax is white. This smells like you just did laundry. Who else love the smell of laundry? I love the smell of fresh, clean laundry that you use Downy and dryer sheets and all that good stuff to make it smell good. I love special sheets. And I got 2 of these because I knew that I was gonna like these for spring and summer. And I might go back and get a couple more. Those are good for $4. You never know. Okay. And I got some more cleaning items. I got this Lysol Brand New Day is in the scent Brand New Day, which is the mango and hibiscus scent. These are, I mean, we all use Lysol wipes in the home. I hope you do. To wipe off your doorknobs and your countertops in your bathroom and all kinds of stuff you use these with. But these will smell good. These smells good. I like that smell. I had the Lysol liquid before in this kind, and it was so good. I never found it again. I wish I could find it. And I got this from Walmart. And I have these wet mopping cloths that I have the the mop that you use. What is it called? Swiffer. And these are a cheaper version of it that they have at Aldi's. It was I think it was $3.49. And if you buy Swiffer cloths, you know that it's more than that for the regular Swiffer. So I'm gonna give these a try. And I got these this Lysol automatic toilet cleaner that you clip onto your toilet. It looks like that. And it's the Brand New Day one in the scent Mandarin and Ginger and Lily. And it looks like that. So much stuff to have your house smelling good for the spring. The house should be good, smelling good all year round, but this is stuff I got that is spring scented. Okay, I got a lot of air fresheners because I love to spray air freshener. I've done cleaning. Okay, I got the Glade. Is this 8? Why does this look bigger? Okay, the Glade Clean Linen, and it looks like this. I always get this. Matter of fact, I use this year round. You might have seen this in another video that I did, but I love the Glade Clean Linen. It smells so fresh and so clean. I got oh, that's not it. 2 of those. I got the bubbly berry splash. It looks like that. I always get this every spring and summer too. I got that last year before. And this is a new one. It says limited edition Stay Cool Watermelon. Notes of watermelon and seltzer. And it looks like that. And the bottle is really pretty too, with the watermelons and the cucumber. And I smelled this. This smells good. I got 2 of those. And then I got some Febreze sprays. These are some new ones that I didn't never see before. I think these just came out. And these are perfect. It says limited edition. And this is the honeysuckle scent. And it looks like that. And I love honeysuckle. I got some Bath & Body Works honeysuckle body mist that I love to wear in the springtime. And this is like a nice floral scent. It smells so good. Spray a little bit of that now. Even though this is supposed to be spring, but spring starts early in Florida, so I have to get my stuff because this stuff will be gone by the time spring get here. So you have to get your stuff early. And then the next thing I have is peach. I never saw a peach smell, and trust me guys, this smells so good. I got 2 of these, and these are from all of this from Walmart. They're $2 and some, $2.94 I think. And they do have them at Aldi's, but they don't have these limited edition brands. They have like the Gain scented one and I think the Linen and Sky one at Aldi's. And it's only like a couple of cents less than Walmart. And I have the watermelon. Never seen watermelon. And I'm so excited to use this for the spring. I got 2 of these. Never seen watermelon in Febreze and peach. And they do have a strawberry one too, but that I didn't get yet because I got enough for right now. And I got some wax melts. I got Better Homes and Garden Vanilla Cookie Crunch. And this smells so good. This can be used year round. It smells so good. It smells like you baking some cookies. Oh gosh, I'm trying to think of what kind of cookie it smells like. Is it sugar cookie? It smells like sugar cookie, like you're baking sugar cookies. So I can imagine when it's warm, on the warmer, it smells so good. And then I also found Sensational's watermelon sugar, and it looks like that. This smells so good. It smells so good. Okay. Oh, I have another Glade spray here. It's Coastal Citrus Sunshine, and it looks like that. And it's like a fruity, citrusy scent. Okay, and I also got some plugins. Watching my videos, you know that I love plugins, and that's a great way to make your house smell good. And I have all of the plugins. I have the Glade, the Febreze, the Renews It, and it's another one. I got Bath and Body Works and another one. But I found the Glade Stay Cool Watermelon. It looks like that. This is the double pack. So excited to use this stuff in the spring. So excited. And I found Cotton Cloud Dream, and it looks like this. This smells so good because I love like cotton smells. And stay tuned because I'm gonna have a video with all of my spring Bath and Body Works and Victoria's Secret and perfume that I'm gonna be using coming up. So make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell. This smells like a dream. Cotton Cloud Dream. It smells so good. It says notes of airy clouds and cotton. This smells like you floating on the clouds with some cotton. It smells so good. Pick some of this stuff up, guys. I'm telling you, get it now because once spring hit, everybody gonna be on YouTube showing this stuff, and it's gonna be selling out in stores. Okay, and I got Febreze Plugins, and this is the peach that matches with the spray. It smells so good. This is not, oh yeah, it is scratched, but I smell it already. And this is limited edition. So, and when I was looking at the peach, it was either one of them. I think this is the only one I saw. It was the last one in peach. And then I got berry and bramble. It's a double. I got the double because this is like a strawberry scent. And remember I told you they had a strawberry scented Febreze. They had that too, the double pack, but I didn't get it. And let me see how this one smells. That smells like strawberries. Smells so good. Imagine having your room smell like strawberries and watermelon. And this one is the one watermelon that goes with this. So these are, I even like the way they have the red and blue. And what the other one? Oh, both of them got red and blue. So pretty. I love it. Okay guys, that's all I have for today for this video. Let me know what you're going to be using this spring to make your house smell good. Let me know if you do any spring cleaning or wiping down the walls to make it smell good, because when you cook a lot, you have to wipe down those walls, get those scents out the house. But and open the windows and let some fresh air in too. But okay guys, let me know what you're going to be buying for spring to make your home smell good. All right, talk to you later. Bye.